Hey guys, Squishy Life. Back with another video again. And today I think I'm making a new trend. I don't really know. But it's gonna be the Q&A with only 2 Squishies. So yeah. It's gonna be doing that. So if you don't know how to do this, which you probably don't, because I'm probably making up a new trend. So what you have to do is, so I'm going to have 2 squishies. I have this banana squishy and this football squishy that I got from Dollar Tree. So those sticky squishies. And this is defective right there and there. But this football one isn't. Hold on. Oh, snap. So, the first thing, well, the first question is what type of Texas squishy do you like? I like, Poonie Marley, squishy. And, I also got this one Poonie Marley, but I did not, get one of the huge jumbo ones. I got this little small one because, like, the jumbo ones are, like, $80. And, yeah, but I might get that one for Christmas. This one's, a squishy. Okay, this, question is, how big do you usually like your squishies? I like my squishies, like, pretty big. Like, I like them about, like, the biggest I like them is about this big. Cause, like, I don't like one of those jumbo squishies. Besides, if, I'm getting one as a present. So, like, I usually like my squishies about this big. And, yeah. So, here's the football. Unfortunately, I just remembered y'all aren't gonna wanna see Becca's squishies over and over again. So that's kind of it for the video. But yeah. So make sure to follow me on TikTok. 22 Hurricane 22. So yeah. Bye.